all, welcome back. In this session, I'm going to cover review of GenAI Response. In previous two sessions, I have already covered, but in this one, with respect to script, what are the things that we need to take care that I'm going to touch upon. Let's move on to the review part. In my previous sessions, I have given you importance of reviewing the GenAI assistant, any of the GenAI assistant. There are so many assistants in the testing domain also introduced from the various vendors, but that is only for generating the content. If you look at high level, but in the delivery point of view, we need to ensure the generated content is appropriate and it is as per the requirement, as per our need. Okay, this particular specification need that you as a delivery owner, you have to ensure that that is the code or the content that is given by the assistant is appropriate or not. If not, you need to modify. In my previous session, I have already shown you how to modify the generated statement. Okay, for that one, you should have a certain basic knowledge on the script that you are going to handle it. Okay, so in this one, so in the GenAI world, review is key. So we have to ensure this one. It's not that one, okay, the assistant is generated, my job is done. No. So here I'm looking at two elements here. Before I make the particular script is final. Okay. One is standards that I have to ensure. What are those standards checkpoints that I have is one is the declaration that we need to ensure any variables in case if it is created that we have to, and the definitions, that means object definitions or any function definitions that we need to ensure, and functions whatever the structure that has given is properly or not, and the dynamic values, this also we need to ensure it should not be static. So you need to apply your some methods and you need to make it that particular value as a dynamic. And then statements structure, whatever the assertions or any kind of technical statements that it is generated, we need to ensure that is as per the given standard. And also assertions, whatever the assertion that is properly generated or not as per the child library. And then embed comments. So in the script, definitely we have to ensure that when the comments are appropriately inserted as per the statements it is generated or as per the step it is, so that it is easy for whoever is reviewing that particular script and they can understand what it is doing. Okay, that we have to ensure. And the next thing is validations. Okay, in the validations we have to ensure this whoever is owns this particular the script, that particular module, they have to ensure what is the test structure it is, and what is the validations flow it is, whether it is covering all or not, and completeness, whether it is whatever the validation as per specification you have designed, but as per specifications, are you covering all the validations or not? That we need to ensure, especially in this particular element. Okay, one is test structure. It has to be a sequential flow. It's not that one first you put one particular field value and then you put the status code. No, not like that. First you need to start with your status code and response body type, any headers or response headers to be validated. That also you have to include as per the specification. Okay, so you need to compare what is the specification that has given, whether it is covered or not. All those things that you need to ensure. If not, you have to update the script and make it as a final. So in the GenAI response one is given, you are ensuring that the script is going to complete. You need to ensure these two things in the review part. Okay, so standards wise and validations wise. In the validations, you need to ensure test structure, validations flow, and completeness. Okay, that's about the review. So in the future, in the previous two sessions also I have covered according to that particular the feature. So in this session, we have included the script generation. According to script generation, what is the review part that we need to do it, that I have included over here. I hope you got something about this, about script generation and reviewing, and you can watch other sessions as well. And I'll catch you in a session. Thank you. Bye.